Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. In today's video we are diving into the fascinating world of microscopy. This is part 1 of our series on the basic concepts of microscopy, where we will be exploring the introduction to microscopes and microscopy itself. So microscopy is a scientific technique that involves the use of microscopes to discern and analyze objects as specimens that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. It has been a fundamental tool in various scientific disciplines including biology, medicine, material science, chemistry, and many others. The primary goal of microscope is to provide magnified images or visualization of microscope's object. Microscopy enables the study of a wide range of samples including cells, tissues, microorganisms, nanoparticles, crystals, and other small structures. So microscopes can utilize different imaging modalities and techniques to capture and enhance the visibility of microscopic data. So the basic components of microscope includes objective lens, eyepieces or ocular lens, stage, condenser, illumination source, focus adjustment. The objective lenses is located close to the specimen and is responsible for gathering light and forming the initial magnified image of the object. Eyepiece or ocular lenses is positioned at the top of the microscope and is where the viewer looks through to observe the magnified image. It further magnifies the image produced by the objective lens. Stage. The stage is a flat platform where the specimen or object to be observed is placed. It holds the specimen in position for examination. So the condenser is located beneath the stage and is responsible for focusing and directing light onto the specimen. It helps enhance the illumination and clarity of the image. Illumination sources. The microscope requires a light source to illuminate the specimen. Right? In optical microscopes, this is typically a built-in light source such as a bulb that provides transmitted or reflected light for illumination. Microscopes have various mechanisms for focusing the image. The coarse focus adjustment is used for initial rough focusing, while fine focus adjustment is employed to achieve precise focusing and clarity. Microscopes can be broadly classified into two main categories. One is optical microscopes and another one is electron microscopes. Optical microscopes, also known as light microscopes, these instruments use visible light to form magnified images of the specimen. They rely on a systems of lenses to gather and magnify the light, providing detailed observation of the object. So the optical microscopes are widely used in biology, medicine, material science, and other fields. Electron microscopes utilize a beam of electrons instead of light to produce magnified images. They offer much higher magnifications and resolutions than optical microscopes, making it possible to observe objects at the atomic and molecular levels. Electron microscopes are commonly used in fields such as nanotechnology, material science, and cell biology. Okay, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit this notification bell so you won't miss any of the upcoming episodes in the microscope series. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will delve into the various microscopy techniques and their unique capabilities. Thank you.